What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be rebuilding the head on the Z50. So after doing a 88cc mod on the bike, it has a lot more power, but it's really hard to start it. It backfires through the carburetor a bit, which makes me think that the valves are worn out, maybe the springs are worn out. I just haven't touched the head, and it's a really good idea to rebuild that. You know, it's 40 years old. So I got a kit which comes with new valves and new springs. This may be the part that's worn out. And then it also comes with seals and all the other parts that you need to put that together. So I will be putting that in. So first, let's take the head off. So I cleaned up the head and replaced the valve seal on the the exhaust side. It seems that there's no valve seal on the intake side. Maybe that's because the engine sits like that. But anyway, looks like the valves that I bought are the wrong size, so I cleaned up the original ones as best I could, and I'm gonna use some valve grinding compound to make sure they're seating well, and I think that'll be fine. Alright, I'm going to set my valve gap. I got my feeler tool here. 0.003 on the exhaust and 0.002 on the intake. My business. My business. My business. My business. My business. My business. pretty much none of the parts that I bought in the rebuild kit actually fit the head. The springs were too big, the valves were too small. So, you know, I pretty much just cleaned up everything really good. Everything looks pretty good on the head there, and I was able to grind the valves so that they were seating right, and you know, check the clearance and everything. One of the so that's all put back together. One of the things that I think was causing the issues with starting is it was running too rich. It was like flooding the cylinder at starting. So I'm just going to adjust the floats here a little bit. I'm just going to bend this tab down so that the bowl will fill up at a lower level. So that's it. It runs great now. I just took it for a ride, and I think the issue that it was having with starting was definitely the floats in the bowl. They were letting in too much fuel, and so it's working much better now. It starts, I don't have to give it any gas. It starts on the first kick, almost, first or second kick. And you know, it's good to clean up the head and check on everything, but it looks surprisingly good up there for, you know, a 40-year-old bike. So that's it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and share it on Facebook if you want to help out the channel. And great, thanks for watching Rat Insurance.